Censreal Technology Company Limited, located in Shenzhen, mainly engaged in the R&D, OEM, ODM, and supply of camera accessories, such as camera battery, digital charger, battery grip, LED video light, flashlight, camera remote, etc. Besides, Censreal are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different photograph and shooting requirements. Our cooperation factory has well-appointed test equipments, establishment a completed quality control system for the incoming materials, such as strict cell capacity grading test, salt fog test, plugging test, rub-resistant test, etc. Strictly control the manufacturing procedures based on IPQC, 3D test, aging test, AOI test, chargers automatic tester, drop test and commissioning test, etc. Assure products' quality to be more stable with aging test and vibration test, to make Censreal's each product meet or even exceed the national standard. With advanced machines and equipments every step from R&D, mold development to production and processing and product test, Censreal strives for improving, strive for perfection. With many years of hard working, Censreal not only created products with a high quality, but also made our team growing and increasingly mature. Gaining recognition from all over the world is our motivation to go on. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, Censreal have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.